With nearly a month after assuming the office, the Mohan Majhi-led BJP government has transferred the blue-eyed officers of the former BJD-led government. G. Mathivatnan and R. Vinil Krishna are two notable officers who were considered as most influential in the previous government. G. Mathivatnan had been the Secretary of the Housing and Urban Development Department for 10 years. The new BJP government appointed him as the Director General of Training Coordination of the Gopabandhu Academy of Administration. He has also been stripped of the post of the Additional Chief Secretary of the Parliamentary Affairs Department. In his place, Usha Padhi, Principal Secretary of Skill Development and Technical Education, with the additional charge of Principal Secretary of Commerce and Transport, is permitted to retain additional charge as Principal Secretary of Housing and Urban Development. Similarly, R. Vinil Krishna has been removed from the post of Special Secretary to the Chief Minister and Commissioner cum Secretary of the Sports and Youth Services Department and appointed as the Commissioner of Land Records and Settlement. He has been replaced by Bhaskar Jyoti Sharma as the Commissioner cum Secretary of the Sports and Youth Services Department. Another influential officer is Vishal Kumar Dev, who has been transferred from the post of Principal Secretary of Finance Department and appointed as the Principal Secretary of Electronics and Information Technology.
Bodily is not a solution, bodily with action would be a solution. खाली जगह बदल ये चेयर जा से चेयर बसीगले लोक मानसिक बदलवानी ता जो मानसिक जो माने आज नुआ कर आसिले से मानसिकता पनिशमेंट ही होनी तारे भविष्य जो पीढ़ी मैंने आसवे जानिए एमती खराब काम कले पनिशमेंट मिले.
Moreover, an additional Chief Secretary to the Chief Minister, Nikunja Bihari Dhal, has been given an additional charge as Chairman of Odisha Industrial Infrastructure Development Corporation, Bhubaneswar. Additional Chief Secretary of General Administration and Public Grievance with additional charge as Additional Chief Secretary of Tourism Department. Surendra Kumar has been permitted to continue as Additional Chief Secretary of Parliamentary Affairs Department. Similarly, Shashwat Mishra, Principal Secretary to Governor with the additional charge of Chairman Odisha Staff Selection Commission, has been permitted to retain additional charge as Principal Secretary of the Finance Department and Principal Secretary of Energy Department. Furthermore, Hemant Sharma, the Principal Secretary of Industries Department with additional charge of Chairman of Industrial Promotion and Investment Corporation of Odisha Limited, has been permitted to retain additional charge as Principal Secretary of the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Industries. Political experts saw this sanitization coming.
पांड्यान को नेतृत्वाधीन जो सरकारी अधिकारी माने राज्य रे मनमुखी कारबार शासन चलैथिले सेमान भितरु किछि लोकन को गतकाली प्रथम प्रशासनिक दल बदल रे परिवर्तन करा जाइछ. ए व्यवस्था जिला स्तर ब्लॉक स्तर पर्यंत जाऊ पड़िबो. सचिव स्तर मध्ये संपूर्ण ही नाही किंतु जो भार से क्षमता दुरुपयोग करिसंती तांको विरुद्ध रे यदि कार्यानुष्ठान न हुए ताले ओडिसा रे शासन परिवर्तन होइछ बोली जनसाधारण भितर वार्ता जीव नाही.